When I came to Santorini, I expected crowds, queues, non-stop photo spots. And don't get me wrong, famous and more popular towns like Fira and Oia are absolutely beautiful. But most people come to Santorini and miss this particular town. So I am in Pyrgos and I'm walking up to see, I can see the church up ahead with the blue dome. So this is Pyrgos. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon and the weather is quite warm. So yeah, I'm heading up to the views. This is a village that has made me slow down, breathe and actually enjoy being there. And if you're an introvert like me that hates crowds, look no further. If you want to see a quieter, more authentic side to Santorini, let me show you around Pyrgos, Santorini's hidden gem. Most people come to Santorini and miss this spot. Pyrgos is a small hilltop village in the center of the island, and it's actually one of the oldest settlements in Santorini. I came here in early November last year, and when I felt I needed a break. It was on my second day that I came to Pyrgos, and I'm so glad that I did. Just narrow streets, whitewashed houses, and locals going about their everyday lives. You can get up close to churches and temples and those famous blue domes that we try to get those pictures of classic Santorini. You can find them here. You do quite a lot of walking here. There's a lot of hills. I love just getting lost in the little paths here. Every corner has tiny churches, cute doorways, small souvenir shops tucked into the walls, and there was nobody in attendance. People just were casually taking in the sights. The air was fresh and clean, and there was just a very calm vibe. It feels less like a tourist attraction and more like a real Greek village that just happens to be so beautiful. Compared to Oia and Fira, it feels calmer, quieter, and way more human. This is the real Santorini. Wow, look at the view from here. Gorgeous. The volcanic mountain to one side and all the white buildings down in the village. Ooh. It's a bit breezy. At the very top of Pyrgos is an old Venetian castle called Kasteli. And this is where you get one of the best volcanic views over the entire island. Standing up here felt completely different to the crowded caldera viewpoints. Pyrgos is also a great place to stop for food or coffee. There are lots of little shops and restaurants about. There's a lot of little corner shops where you can get snacks and ice creams, etc. So I'm sitting in the shade. I'm waiting for the bus back to Fira. I have no idea when the bus is coming. You just have to wait. The timetable isn't perfect, so you don't want to move just in case the bus comes. So we're just gonna sit here and wait for the bus to show up. Pyrgos is a smaller village or town, so it's almost every other bus that goes through Pyrgos, and that's the bus that goes to Perissa. What I loved most about Pyrgos is that it felt more authentic than the more touristy parts of the island. It reminded me that Santorini isn't just about iconic views and photo spots. If you're the kind of traveler who loves to explore beyond the obvious places, I really think you'll love it here. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.